Good morning, student. Hope you all fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to study about the noun. What do you mean by noun? Their kinds of nouns, and how to identify the nouns in the particular sentence. Now, what do you mean by noun? Noun is a very much important part in our parts of speech. There are 8 types of parts of speech. The first one is noun, the second one is pronoun, the third one is verb, fourth one is adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. These are the 8 types of parts of speech we are studying in our we have studied in our previous classes. Once again, I'll repeat the same. Noun is an important part of a sentence. There are 8 parts of speech, which are these: the noun, the pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition. Now, let's start the chapter number 3, the noun, kinds of nouns. So, let's start the chapter number or unit number 3, the nouns, kinds of nouns. First, you understand what do you mean by noun. In your previous classes, you have studied about noun. You know the better idea of what is noun. Nouns are none other than naming word. It is a simply naming words like your name, like my name, the name which you are giving, by which we are identifying any object, by which we are identifying any person, place, thing, or any other creature. Basically, nouns are the naming words to identify something. So, what is the definition of noun? Noun is just a naming words. Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. In the in the form of person, human beings are also included, as well as all the birds, insects, all the living creatures are included in person. Person, animals, place, all the places, all the places name is called as noun, and all the things name is also called as noun. Now let's have a look of few examples here. The first one is Ram. Ram is a name of a person, so it is noun. Now the second one is Mohan. Mohan, the name of a boy, so it is also a name of a person, so it is noun. Now Tuffy. Tuffy can be your pet's name, dog. So name of any animal is also included in animal, in living creature, so it is also noun. Now New Delhi, so it is a name of a city, so it is name of a place, so that is also noun. The next one is Dehradun. Again, that is a name of a city, so Dehradun is also also a noun. Now mobile. Mobile is a thing because it is an instrument only, application only, so the name of anything is also called as noun. Pen is also thing. So what do you mean by noun? The nouns are basically naming words to identify something. In word, all the person, place, thing, animals, etc. are having their own name. So the name of all these things are called as noun. Now let's see the classification of noun. Nouns are divided in various types. Clear? Nouns are divided into various types like proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun, material noun, collective noun, etc. But in your syllabus, only 5 nouns are there, in which common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, and somewhere you will have the material nouns too. Collective noun and collective noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun is also easy. We will have an overview of it. Now, the first type of noun is common noun. Words which are used as name of a person, animals, places or things are called as noun. All these nouns are common nouns. Class of a person, place or thing. It means common nouns are the simplest one, the name of a person. If we'll talk an example that Ram, Shyam, Ajay and Abhay both are studying in the room. So what they are calling them? What is the common in between them? So basically they are boys. So what is the common here? Boy. All are boy, means four. The name is different but all are boys only. So boy is the common word which we have introduced to rectify the class of a noun. नाउन का क्लास बताने के लिए, उन चारों के नाम के बताने के लिए हम लोग इंडिविजुअली अगर न बता सके तो उनका क्या है, बॉय ही एक कॉमन वर्ड है जो उन चारों लोगों में कॉमन है. ठीक है. द नेम बॉय कैन बी गिवन टू एनी every boy, to Afzal, Ashok, Ram, John, etc. It does not point out any particular one. It is a name common to all boys. It is therefore called a common noun. Common nouns are giving the class of a person, place or thing. Now, it does not point to any particular person, place or thing, but it is common to all person, place or thing of same class or kind is called कॉमन नाउन. एक ही सेम क्लास और एक ही प्रकार के जो नाउन होते हैं, कॉमन चीज़ें देखी जाती हैं तो वो कॉमन नाउन में आती हैं. जैसे फॉर एन एग्ज़ाम्पल, जैसे दिल्ली, मुंबई, देहरादून, पंजाब, कर्नाटक आर द फेमस सिटीज़ of this world, of India. So here city is the common word which we have used here, because these all are the name of a particular cities. But what is the common over here? Because this is the name of all the cities, so city is the common word, so that city is a common noun. Now we will see few more example. Now study this list of common nouns. Now the first one is person. Person, uncle, aunt, teacher, grocer, all these things are common noun. Now all the name of animals are also considered as they belongs to the category of animals. Horse, tiger, rabbit and mouse all are animals. Now places, farm, park, museum and hospital, zoo, park, etc. are also common noun. Now the next one is things, object, thread, needle, cigarette and train. All these things are objects. Just keep in mind, common nouns are not pointing to any particular thing. The things we are using, that what is the common in between them. For your convenience, I am giving a few more examples, like the words apple, mangoes and fruit. What all these are? These all are things. So thing is the fruit is the common word which we have using to introduce apple, mangoes, bananas. Clear? Fruit is a common noun which we used it. Now beside this, beside this, um, beside this, sparrow, pigeon, parrot, peacock. What all these are? What is common over here? Because all are birds. So what is common noun here? So this is bird. So bird is the common noun. Now let's move ahead the proper noun, and it is also called as the particular noun. उससे पहले हम लोग थोड़े से एग्जाम्पल और देख लेते हैं. नाउ ऑल द boys name Ram, Shyam, Abhay and Vicky. What is common here? Because all are boys. So what is common noun here? We use to identify these students or person. So we are using boy, a common word, to introduce all these person. Now the second one is Reena, Sheena, Alia and Sara. These four girls are dancing in the auditorium. So what is common over here? They are the girls. So girl is the common words which we introduced it. Now Lucknow, Kanpur, Ahmedabad. These, what is the common over here? What common noun is here? Because this is the name of a big city. So city is the common noun which we introduced here. Now Usha, Havels, Cromptons, these are the type of thing, these are the kind of thing. So what we used as a common noun? So these are simply the fans, the type of fans, the things. Okay. Now the places: farm, zoo, park, hospitals and museum. These all are the places. So what is the common here? Place word is common to each and every, because all the things are place. So place is the common noun here. Now we will see the second part, the second types of noun, that is proper noun. Proper noun is also called as the particular noun. A proper noun is the special name of a particular person, place or thing is called as proper noun. Proper nouns are basically specifying the particular person or place और थिंग. एक पर्टिकुलर थिंग को हम लोग टारगेट करते हैं, मतलब पॉइंट आउट करते हैं. 100 में से एक लोगों को बुलाया जाता है. जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एंटर सीनियर क्लास, इफ आई टेल यू दैट ऑल स्टूडेंट्स कम विथ मी, सो यू विल, all the students will join me. But if I'll point out that Rohit, come along with me, come with me, so to whom I am identifying here? What is the proper noun here? Rohit, because I am identifying, I am pointing out only a single one, so that is a proper noun. Proper noun specifies special person, place or thing only. So what are the examples here? Ram, name of a particular person. It means when we are going to identify only the particular or specific one, not in a general form, only pointing out to a particular and single one. So Ram is the name of a particular person. Now Buffy, name of any animal, but it is the name of any one animal, not common to each and every animals or creatures. So Buffy is the name of an animal, that is particular noun or proper noun. Varanasi, name of a particular place. It means Varanasi is not given to all the Varanasi name is not given to all the city. It is the only one city in the India, so that is proper noun. Usha fan, there are a number of fans like Usha, Khaitan, Onida, etc. But I like Usha fans. Now Reynolds, a particular things. There are a number of pens we are using, but I like Reynolds pen most? Here I have specifically mentioned that Reynolds pen, I like it. Pens are pen word is common to each and every pen, but Reynolds is specifying only the single kind of a pen. Now, Ayansh. Ayansh is a name of a specific person, a kid. So it specifies a particular person only. एक particular person को हम लोग जो बोलते हैं, एक single person को जो हम लोग identify करते हैं, तो वो क्या होते हैं? Particular noun और proper noun. Now study this the list of proper nouns. Proper nouns are um, always starts with a कैपिटल लेटर, बिकॉज क्योंकि ये किसी का प्लेस का नाम है, पर्सन का नाम है, और कोई थिंग है जो हम लोग क्या करते हैं. बेसिकली इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें आती है प्रॉपर नाउन. प्रॉपर नाउन्स आर इंक्लूडेड ऑल द फेमस all the people's name, so it should be capital form. The name of a months and days of the weeks are also proper noun. Famous monuments or famous buildings are also proper noun. Now countries, all the countries and cities name are also comes under in a proper noun. Name of ocean, rivers, lakes, seas and mountains. Clear? What is proper noun? Proper nouns are special names. There are many proper nouns, but proper noun, the people's name, name of a month, day, famous monuments, country's name, city's name, name of oceans, rivers, lakes, seas and mountains. Because these are the only one in the world. ये सब चीज़ें क्या होती है? प्रॉपर नाउन क्या होता है कि संसार में एक ही होता है, बहुत सारे तो होते नहीं हैं. हम लोग किसी एक स्पेसिफिक पर्सन को आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं, एक स्पेसिफिक मॉन्यूमेंट को आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं. कंट्रीज़ क्या, इंडिया नाम की बहुत सारी कंट्री है या चाइना नाम की बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ है? नहीं ना. तो फिर फेमस सिटीज़ का भी वैसे ही प्रॉपर नाउन है. और नेम ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी ओशन, रिवर्स, लेक्स, ये सब क्या है? एक प्रॉपर नाउन है. नाउ महात्मा गांधी, इट इज़ दैट इज़ अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, सो दैट इज always comes in a capital form. First letter should be capital form. Mahatma Gandhi, Harry Potter, Serena Williams, Sushant Singh Rajput and James Bond. These are the name of a person that is proper noun, because we are specifying a special person. Now name of months and days. Name of months and days are also proper nouns. January, February, March, April till December, and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all 7 days are also proper nouns. So their first letter should be capital. Now all the monuments, Taj Mahal, Gateway of India, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vile Parle, Humayun's tombs, all are the famous monuments or the history, we can say the heritage of India. So all the famous monuments are also proper nouns. Now let's have a look of few more examples of proper nouns. Few more countries like India, Saudi Arab, Hong Kong, Italy are the name of specifically any single country. So all these are proper noun. Now cities, New Delhi, Madrid, Beijing, Chennai and Rome, all these are the cities, the famous cities, as well as the particular specifically special cities. So this is also proper noun. Name of oceans, rivers, lakes, seas and mountains are proper noun. The Ganga, the Indian Ocean, Lake Michigan, the Niagara Falls, the Atlantic Ocean. These are the few examples. Besides this, there are a number of examples like Eiffel Tower, Elephanta Caves, National Museum, Gateway of India, Charminar. All the monuments are um, the famous monuments, famous buildings are called as proper nouns. Hope you will understand this video lecture. Till then, keep on writing your notes. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, and have a nice day.